Hello everyone, welcome to Ev's Historical World. Sorry that we haven't been doing as many videos as we would because it's winter at the moment and also COVID is at its highest at the moment. So yeah, this Saxon House right here has been filmed by the BBC. Well, not exactly filmed, they've used our video footage. Sorry for that old truck. But yeah, the BBC have done some of our filming footage, and one of our videos is from the BBC. Nah. But today we have purchased a Winnerwell Woodlander medium camping stove. These things are amazing, high quality stainless steel. So there's the Nomad, there's the medium, and there's the large. We got this one here, and the good thing of it is that it folds up so that the chimney can actually go inside the stove when it's not in use. These legs are spring loaded, so it can adapt to like whatever level of ground you're on. And the cooking grill folds up so that you can use it as a handle. So these things fold up and they're portable. So yeah, it's in here at the moment. Got our 2-plank wood chair. We got a Jacob's sheepskin rug on the table, and here it is. So these 90-degree angle points that I got separately, these are still Winnerwell bits, but they do not come with the actual like box that you get with the camping stove itself. But yeah, this can get very hot. Yeah, these bits fold up so that it can be the handle for it. Yeah, lots of cool things about it. And Dad recently installed a little bit on the Saxon House window so that the window can be in. There's a little hatch that opens up so that you can get the stove bit through. It doesn't stand out like a sore thumb. Say canvas tents like bell tents and teepees and that. But because it's canvas floor, what you can do is you can get a fireproof sort of like tarp mat thing, so that when you're like poking the ashes and that, so that when it comes out it doesn't like set your tent on fire. Yeah, we haven't got that. We've used some slabs. Yeah, this one's gonna be cool. Yeah. Now, on the Saxon House, it's been around for the past couple of months, been like this. Daub is finally drying, although we still have those 2 more walls to door. But at the moment, for temporary, we just put some wood up, just for temporary, because we're going to be in here for the evening. And yeah, we don't want the draft getting us, especially when I'm going to be lying on that bed right there with the real Jacob's sheepskin I got for Christmas. And with the stove comes with this, because you can take off this bit here to like put your kettle on. It can obviously be very hot. So what you can do is put this on the thing it like this. And there, you can take off the thing without getting your hand burnt. These things are amazing. These Winnerwell stoves. They are absolutely brilliant. We haven't even tested the fire yet, and at the moment I still think they are brilliant.
Yeah, not a lot of light in there, is there?
No.
We need to sort out some...
Well, there will be when that's on.
I know, we need to sort out some lights though, don't we? I mean, rather than just head torches and stuff.
They've made this nice chair. Normally we'd have to... Nice long day of homeschooling. Good to end it with nice first burn. First burn. With your first burn, like it'll go kind of like blue a bit because all like the oil in it's burning, because it'll always have like a thin coating of oil. So first burn just like kind of burns the oil.
Can you see that already on the chimney? If you hold that torch up to the chimney.
Can you see on the chimney? On that first section.
Yeah. And it's going out the little hole, a little window.
We got it and this was like all like silver. Like silver steel, and now it's like blue.
So you're happy in your Saxon house?
Yeah.
Is it safer having this woodland stove? This, what is it? It's a Winnerwell Woodland medium one, isn't it?
Yeah. I think this is quite bigger than it's the medium one. I wonder how big the large would be. Yeah. Much safer than like a campfire. Especially with the straw floor. Just 2 walls left of daubing and interior decorating, and it's like, that's it.
Well, we've got to interior daub, and like you say, the wall behind you and to your left, we've got to daub on the outside. And then all the internal ones we've got to daub, haven't we? And then arrange how you want things doing. So obviously you've got a box there of wood and everything. The daub on the outside of these two looks okay. Some of it's dried quite well, isn't it, on the outside?
But at the moment, I'm like sitting on like where the bed would be.
Yeah, so that needs to be made into a proper bed, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Mum is sat on her what's known as like a Viking chair or a moon chair, isn't it? So the 2 planks, one just slots inside the other. Can we see your chair, Mum? Can you stand up? So that's all it is just 2 planks with a hole cut in the middle.
Yeah, we have it in our living room
through.
and we put the sheepskin on top of it. It's really comfy. This stove is really cool, and you obviously do not want to touch on metal because it's scalding hot. But at the moment, you can tell it's cold where I am because my breath, but if you were to breathe over the stove, the steam wouldn't come out of your mouth whenever you breathe. So you can tell how warm it is. And the stove colour of it is still changing, like it's kind of like changing to a browny colour because there's a thin coat of oil